everybody, my name's Katie18 and today we're going to play Roblox Bee Swarm. So, if you don't know what this game is, basically a game where you have to go to your hive. If you're on mobile, just either click it. If you're on PC, you need to press E to claim your hive, and so on and so on. And basically you just get new bees. You can go into your inventory if you're on laptop. Yeah, you just need to go onto there, onto the place where, no, onto eggs and items. Click on it, or if you're on like phone or laptop or iPad, you just tap on it, or if you're on laptop or like PC, just click on it with your mouse. Okay, so yeah, and then you'll find like a basic egg in there. You drag it towards here, and it will show you like you can put it like in the middle. You can put it up there, that sort of stuff. So without further ado, just go claim my hive. Yes, I've been working on this when I haven't ever been recording, because this is my second video. But I'm just gonna show you some easy ways and like better eggs. Or like some better bees. So the first one is a royal jelly, which is up here. If you don't know what a royal jelly does, it can transform your bee into a rare, epic, legendary, or mythic. Mythics are just introduced into the game, they're quite new, and I'm going to collect that one. And you can go through here, and then there's tickets, 5 of them, and there's another one. I can't really remember. Okay. Oh, yeah, gun drops. So this is going to. So I'm gonna stop. Look at my hive. Okay. So, and when you get to like max out this, you have to buy other slots. I'll show you where. Okay. Oh yeah, give me that polo. Go on. Actually, I'm gonna go get something I haven't gotten yet because I need to quickly go get it. I haven't got it yet. No, I can't reach. Should I? Maybe I have to. I don't know. I have to reach it. It says I need to get items. Little hack on this, you can just jump and you don't die. The annoying thing about this is you can't get out. I have to do it all on my own to get to over here, which contains another royal jelly. It's up this top. Oh. Okay, that's unfortunate. Yeah, my beach will have to go to sleep now. Oh god, this is annoying. I've got 2 mythics, I got Fairy Bee, and I've got Vector, probably 2 of the best bees in the game. I think I need to do some quests. I got Rose requests, and Polar Bear, Mantis Newport, oh god. Defeat 12 mantises. You can only get into this area where my mouse is circling if you've got 5 or over, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 you there. Oh, it gave me a royal jelly. Dude, and a mealberry? That never happens. That never happens. That never really happens. Well, I'm just gonna do some collecting of the pollen. And then I need to go back to my hive, and then you can give honey to the bees to get money. I'll show you. This is a really easy way to actually collect money in this. You just need to join the group, which I have, and you can come over to this. Yeah, I need to wait like 38 minutes until I can collect what. But you just like tap it. Yeah, we've been through all of it, and it gives you like 10,000 money and plus 10 speed. You can only be able to go in here when you're level 20. There's a gun, whatever, up there. But you need to collect the amp things. I've already collected all of them. There's a free one that you can use every 2 hours. Okay, I'm just gonna play. It's really fun. You've got to try it when you get to level 20. It gives you a lot of money as well. But the ants can hurt you and get you back to your hive. You know what I'm talking about. Because you can take away health in the corner, as you see. In the top right corner. Ow, what? Ow, I'm really low, ants! Ow! Horse. Yes, you take that. Yeah, I think I'm going a bit too fast that my game's actually lagging. Okay, more. I hate the flying ants. No! Okay, I've already got the golden anthill. No, not anthill. No, I am not. I'm the kid old. Okay, I'm gonna go for like yeah, get some honey for that, and honey is basically money. If you know what I'm talking about. Like honey and money. Okay, I don't think know, but whatever. Oh look, this dude. He just started. So, I will show you that is his hive or earth. So you need to go into the menu like this. There's going to be a 3 basic egg. And you need to put it on the hive, and it either can give you epic, legendary, rare, or basic. 5% chance will bring me basic. I think I should use some of my rules at least. I'll show you what it does. Got 2. I'm going to transform my Bucko Bee because I've got a bit too many. Rascal Bee, I can use another, but I really need to go. Yes, look, that's basically what the road jellies do. Bitter berry, complete the bomb, small chance of causing bacon. I'm going to do 1 to him, and 1 to him, and I'll save the rest, because I don't want to use them all. Okay, so what quest did I do? Monster quest. Let's do that, because that's nice and easy. Oh, by the way, there is like things you can use to actually get to places. I'll normally use the red cannon to get to places. That dude's way higher level than me. Oh god. The rose field of heaven towards you. You have to get 15 these. I have only got a basic stone place. Oh, by the way, you never really see someone with the best friend. Got a challenge I need to do with scorpions. Yeah, this is where they live. Oh my goodness, I got lost being a lot of bear. No, I think I'm half bear, half human. I'm going a bit too fast. God, look how fast my character's going. Look how fast it is. Jeez. Okay, but if you're wondering what the stopping does, IBC pollen, really helpful actually. I think I've got a bit. Oh man, this is the attacking captain's field. By the way, go to skip your stingers, and then if you have 250, you can buy. But oh, this person has a leg. You can get stingers from if you get 250. You can get this, then you can level him up, and basically you can get a gifted one of them. You need to kind of work out. It's a level 7. It's a hard one. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Luckily, this troll mouse guy is good. Okay. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Did I just say oh god? Yes! Hasty Bee's level. Hasty? No, Hasty Bee's leveled up. Hasty. Oh! I keep on saying Hasty. Here we are. Here we are. I'm gonna go back to Rose because I've got a challenge in Rose. I went the wrong way. Backpedal, everyone. Backpedal. Ninja Bee. Oh yeah, I forgot about Ninja Bee. Oh, by the way, actually, recall my sister does not like it though. 1 bit. So she used the other one. Stop! Stop! Gimme! It's only there for a small amount. Oh yes! This is what it does, and then it gives you a lot of pollen from it. I'll say it's a mythic. It's really cool. I need to get 8 legendaries. I don't have 8 legendaries. Dude, I need to get more legendaries. until I can get another legendary. So I need to get different type. I've got 2 ninjas. Oh, I think I need 3 more different types of legendary. Then I can summon a sprout. Yeah, I'm gonna go balloon sprout because it can give me some good stuff. So yeah, jelly bean, jelly bean, jelly bean. Give me the jelly bean. Rage. By the way, if you're wondering what rage does, it makes the bees do extra damage, which is really cool. And haste is when hasty is really helpful. Oh, by the way, the bear bee, it makes it go faster as well. Oh yes, do your thing. Vector, no, not Vector. Wait, I forgot. No, it's Vector. Ladybug, go away, please. By the way, I found my friend if you wonder. Oh my goodness. Yes, gimme. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh. As you see, the pollen container up there is almost full. I'm going like I am going max speed. If you're happy, I'll slow down. No, I need speed up. Okay, I got a little faster. For some reason, whenever my speed goes away, I just feel like I'm moving 10 times slower than normal. Oh god. Yes, I need more speed, please. Yes, speed. Oh my god. Yep. Ooh. What was that from? Sparkles! Sparks! We don't normally find sparkles. Yes, that's what the fuzzy bee does. Okay, sparkles. Rose of Guts is almost done. I think I finished it off. If I change this to blue again, just to let you know. Because it used to be yellow, now it's blue, which is really cool. Honeybee, what are you doing? That's new. I have not talked to Honeybee yet. Okay. Okay, can I have a bear, please? I'll do anything for a bear, thank you. I don't like the mantises. Get them out of here. Ow! Buddy, that hurt. Yeah, you get out of it. Give me those gumdrops. Yes! I think I'm going a little crazy. Oh, I just realised something. Okay, they patched it now. Great. You actually have to be able to do it. I am very close to finally. Can I please have a bear? I really need one. I'm watching you. Yes! Bear! Yes! I can get up with the bear! Yes! So daddy day. But collect 2,000 honey tokens. Oh, they moved where the place of the honeybee is. I'll show you where honeybee used to be. Yeah, he's no longer here. He used to be here. They've moved him. Okay, I think I got a bit distracted by it. So them beetles, what you've got is, you don't normally see a lion bee out in the wild, do you? Okay, I don't think you guys get it because, well, I will just show you. Lion bee and lions. Lions are wild animals. You don't normally see lions in the wild, and like a lion bee, you don't normally see them in the wild. It's a really bad joke. I'm terrible at jokes. Oh my goodness. Bear. I bear be gone. This be looking like a good big. By the way, if you're wondering what's up here, it's in a field. Contains nut stump snail which has 30 million health. 30 million. And there's another secret place which I will die from. Yeah. Bear bees here. No. Tunnel bear. Level 9. Okay, I need that. He is black, okay? He's all black. He has 10,000 health. I can't even defeat him. I can exit the tunnel. It gives you a good amount of loot. Come on, come over to this side. Come on. No! Wait, how did he get me? And just disappeared. Like poof. Okay, I don't want to be face to face with that. Hello, noob. Yeah, I'm having a soft. I don't think it's very good. Oh, I forgot. My honey's gone. No! Oh, it's okay. I've got 5 million honey. Not too bad. Oh, yeah, I think I should do it. I can't do that, can I? What is the quest I need to do? Because the quest I'm going to do honey, so yeah. Give me the honey. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I just forgot. You need to get an ace. You need to get an ace badge to enter this. And it gives you stuff. Dude, and you can buy some stuff, a star royal jelly. It basically gives you a guaranteed gifted bee. Even a gifted, it can even give you a gifted myth. I'm gonna check my badges, see if all I've got 1, 2, left. I just earned an ace. Star jelly! Yeah, they are really good. And yep, some stuff to buy, I think so. There is something behind here. And I'm gonna go find out. I need to find out what's behind it. Maybe not. Okay. I'm gonna start showing you how many you want now. By the way, if you're wondering how much the next one is, you need to earn 10 top badges to unlock. And if you're wondering how to unlock like the bear thing, you need to earn 10 grandmaster badges to unlock, and it costs 55 billion. 555 million, 555,555 honey. I'm nowhere near that. I think I might finish this video really soon. I'm just gonna go through how long. Actually it took a while. Yeah, I forgot I need to go Rose. Oh, and there's a secret place. That I'm just gonna go. I don't really like this. Oh, you're gonna capture this thing, and then it gives you. Okay, I didn't realize that. Have I done it? I don't think I have. Let's go through. Oh, God, they're back! Okay, ooh, I'm so good. done. I'm done. And there's also black bear. Black bear is over here. He's got back. Oh yes. So I'm gonna show you where the secret is, and I will and then I will sell my honey. Then I will end the video. So I'll show you where like the secret is. It's King Beetle, I think. But there's a little glitch with it, and they have not patched it yet. Yeah, it's a glitch. If you stand like this, he doesn't attack you for some reason. He doesn't attack you for some reason. It's a bad glitch. Until he gets eliminated by the bees. Then you can just be free to collect all the loot. It just so much. Like 1,000,000 honey. Oh. Okay, let's see, no, my old is way better than that. I'm getting a few sprouts. I think I might just, I'll feel safe with them. I'm gonna go check my badges one more time. Oh, I've got one to collect. Stump badge. Yeah. Now I'm a cadet. Yeah, so I'm gonna sell my honey and then I'm gonna say bye. I only got 41,000. Okay, come on. Honey. That actually gave me 1,000,000. So, bye bye everyone. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.